find the least number that must be subtracted to 6666 so that it becomes f of x square. Also find the square root of f of x square, thus obtained. So this is not f of x square. Some number we have to subtract. After subtracting only, we are getting answer of x square. So we can see first, if they are this subtracted and added means we have to apply long division method. Okay, multiply and divide means we can apply the prime factorization method. Look at that. 6666. Apply the bar. So we know that 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 sixes are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81, 10 tens are 100. Where you are getting 66 above 81, that you should not take only, this only you are taking. 8 eights are 64. Remaining 2, bring down this number 66. 8 plus 6 answer 16. So 16 table, 16 is how many times? 26 how many times? 1 16 are 16, 2 6 are 32. So 1 time 1 beating. So 1 1. 16 table, 26 is 1 time. So 1 into 1 1. 1 into 6 6. 1 into 1 1. Okay, 5 0 1 105. So 105. Now the question is what number should be subtracted, no? So from this, then this you take it. 6 6 6 6 minus 105. Okay, so if you are subtracting 6 6 6 6 with 105, 1 6 5 6. So first you will write then what number should be subtracted to get f of x square, no? 105 should be subtracted to get f of x square. So if you are subtracting, we are getting 6561. So what is the question? So that find the square root of the f of x square, thus obtained. We have to find the answer for this one. So square root of 6561 equal to what answer we are getting in this quotient part, that one is the answer. So we can write answer 81. Previous sums we have direct answer, but this sum they given what number should be subtracted. So what is the remainder that we have to subtract? 105 should be subtracted to get f of x square. So I subtracted, I am getting answer 6561. This is the f of x square number. So we can get answer 81. Okay. Question number 10. Find the least number by which 1800 should be multiplied so that it becomes f of x square. Also find the square root of the f of x square that obtained. So here multiplied. Already I told add and this subtraction means we have to apply long division method. Here multiplication is there. So multiplication means we have to apply prime factorization method. What is the given number? 1800. So 1800 into table you do it 900 times. Again to table do it 450 times. Again to table do it 225 times. 5 table do it 4 5s are 25, remaining to 45 times. Again 5 table do it 9 times. Again 3 table do it 3 times. 3 table 1 time. So 1800 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So first we can write 2 into 2, 2 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. Remaining what is the number? 2 alone is there. So 2 is the pending number, no? If I am multiplying again that number with 2, what I can get? I can get f of x square. That's why they asked here, what number should be multiplied? If we multiply 2, we can get perfect square. Look at that. So on both sides we write. On both sides. Okay. Now 1800. Already here 1800. Now what I said? Multiply 2. So 2 square into 5 square into 3 square into 2 already is there. Now I am multiplying 1. These 2 and these 2 I am multiplying. Okay. So these 2 and these 2 I am multiplying. So now they are 1300, 600 equal to 2 square into 5 square into 3 square into 2 into 2, 2 square. Now we can take square root. Square, 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 square root cancel. So square root of 3600 equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 2, 6. 10 into 6 answer 16. So what they asked there, find the perfect square. No, perfect square is 60. Multiplied number is 2. Okay, thank you. Fill in the blanks. The ones digit in the square of 77 is, ones digit means we know that. See, 77 into 77. Ones digit means this and this alone you take. 7 sevens are ones digit. This is one digit. Here also one digit. 7 sevens are. Answer is 49. Here what is the final answer? Ones digit. So answer is 9. So 9 is the answer for this question. Ones digit means take this last number, multiply the 2 times. 7 into 7 answer 49. So last number is 9. So that is the answer. Next, the number of non-square numbers between 24 square and 25 square is. So 24 square and 25 square na, 24 square we know that 24 square na 24 into 24. Answer is 576. 25 square into 25. 25 into 25 answer 625. This is the square number. In middle is there, no, that numbers are called non-square numbers. So 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600, 601, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So totally 48 numbers are there. See, 77, 577, 578, 579, like that. 624. Middle how many numbers is there? Totally 48 numbers are there. This is the answer for this question. So the number of perfect square numbers between 300 and 500. Already we know that 10 tens are 100, 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144, 13 13s are 169, 14 14s are 14 14s are okay. 20 20s are we know that no. 20 20s are how much? 400. 21 into 21 answer 441. 22 into 22 answer 484. 23 into 23 answer 529. But middle 500 they asked, so we should not write. Next we can move with the front. 1919s are 361. 1818s are 324. 1717s are 289. So 300 they asked, so this also will happen. So my target is 20 20s are 400. After number and previous number I am adding. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers I am getting. So the answer is 5. Okay. Next one. If a number has 5 or 6 digits in it, then its square root will have dash digits. So 6 digits, see, look at that. For example, 2, 3, 4, simply I am writing 6, 8. 5 digit, no? Here we are applying bar 2, here applying bar. Totally how much bar is there? 3 bars. So we can have answer 3. In case 6 digit now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here, simply I am writing it. For example, I am writing not exactly. So 1, 2, 3 bars. So we can have 3 digits. The square root will be 3 digits. Based on the bar, we can decide how much final digit will come. Okay. Before Samsara we did know. For example, 361. What we did here, bar, here we applied bar, then we are getting answer 19. So here 2 bar means answer will be 2. Same way here 3 bars is there, so answer will be 3 digits. So root 180, which between 10 tens are, we know that 10 tens are 100, 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144, 13 13s are 169, 14 14s are 196. Look at that. Here only will come to answer what? 180. So they asked what is the digits? Integers. So integer 13 and 14 middle we can have 180. So answer is 13 and 14. Say true or false. When a square number ends in 6, its square root will have 6 in the unit place. Is it true or false? They asked. Yeah. See, 6 are 36. 16 16s are 256. So 6 6 are 36. 16 16s are 256.